Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Virgin Money credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The Virgin Money is a financial service brand used by two independent brand licensees worldwide from the Virgin Group. The Virgin Money branded services are currently available in Australia and the United Kingdom. If you want to log into your Virgin Money credit card account online, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser you want and in the URL box type in uk.virginmoney.com and press the enter on your keyboard. As soon as you reach to the official website of Virgin Money, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the upper right corner to log into your account. Go ahead and choose your login type from the drop down menu and select your account from the options. Now click on sign in, enter your customer number or your username on the next page. In case you've forgotten your customer number, click on forgotten your customer number link and follow the instructions to look for it. You can also enter your personal details instead by clicking on this link at the bottom. Once you're done, click continue. On the next page, you'll need to verify your details by entering your access code number in the first text field. Now, enter your sort code number on the next and type in your account number in the last text box. Finally, click on continue in order to log into your account. That is how you can easily log into Virgin Money credit card account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.